Hi guys, this is Scotty with Holzfforma Saws. Got a shipment in today. As you can tell from some of the other pictures, the bigger boxes say 372 XP. It had me kind of worried. But inside, 366 Pro. I'm guessing they just didn't have their boxes yet. So, now let's see if they got the right saw in a box. Oop. I see carbon fiber. Oh, there it is. Maybe. Hang on a second. Oh, man. It's hard to do this with just one hand. But at least you're getting to see the unboxing the same as me. Painful to watch, I know. All right. So there it is. Got the Elastostart. And look at that muffler. Skid plate. 366 Pro. All right, well, I've got 8 of them. I think 3 are spoken for. So if you guys want one, get in on it quick.